Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is 1365. How many numbers are smaller than the current number? Okay, so in this question there is given an array. There is given an array or a vector. You just have to return the count vector in which you just have to count which is smaller than the current number. Okay, there is an 8, so you just have to count from there that if it is smaller, that these digits are smaller than this or not. Okay, so you just have to count, return the count vector which store the count value which is greater than that number or not. Okay, so first you have first I will create a vector and answer which store the answer, and then I will traverse through the vector nums. Okay, for int I equals to 0, nums dot size, and then I plus plus, and int count equals to 0, and again I will create a for loop for int I equals to 0, sorry, j equals to 0, j less than nums dot size, j plus plus. You just have to check if nums of I is greater than, if nums of I is greater than nums of j, then you just have to count plus plus, and after that you just have to do answer dot push back count. Okay, because you just have to return the count vector and return the answer. Let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.